You're getting the purple one first. What's in the purple one? Thank you. What is this one? The cat. And what sound is a cat? Oh, that's right. A cat says meow. Meow. What's this one? A cow. Moo. Are you being a cow? Moo. What's in the next one? Oh, wow. That's a good moo. There we go. What's in the next one? What's in the blue container? Let's have a look.
Nothing.
There's nothing. You've already got. Maybe. Oh, it's the red container. We've already. The cow must have come out of the blue container. Here we go. What's this one, Marley?
Good.
I didn't say how are you today. I said what's this one? A cow? Are you sure this is a cow?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think it's a cow. What's this one?
Cow.
A cow?
Yeah.
Are you sure? But this is a cow here. That's a cow. So what's this one here?
Cow.
A horse. It is a horse. And what sound does a horse make? Nay, very good. Let's do the next one. So what's in the orange container? Let's have a look. What's in there? Oh, it's a pig. And what sound does a pig make? A pig says do. Are you sure a pig says do? What sound does a pig make? Are you sure a pig makes that sound?
Where is it?
Is there something in there? Oh, you found something. What sound does a pig make?
What's in there?
I think a pig says oink.
What's in there?
What's in there? Can we have a look at what was in the green one? Oh, we'll have a look at this one, will we? Can we have a look at we'll have a look at this one. You get the one out of the pink container. What's this one, Marlene? Sheep. This is a sheep and the sheep says bah, bah. What have you got? Oh, well, we've got, and this one was in the pink container. What's this one, Marlene?
Nothing.
You've got them all. That's it. This is the last one.
Nothing.
This was the last one.
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. What was in the, what was this one?
Dog.
Dog. And what does the dog say?
Whoa.
Whoa.